Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Shamiriel. Thank you for taking time out of your day to click on my video. I found myself on a lot of Zoom calls lately, and especially if it's your first time meeting with somebody via Zoom, you want to look your best, you want to put your best face forward, literally. And so this is one of the faces that I've been putting forward lately in my mini Zoom meetings. So if you like this look, you are into simple makeup, not very complicated, because that's what we do here, then keep watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I'll go ahead and get into it and stop rambling. See you later. My lips are dry. I need help. Where's my stuff? I have too much stuff on the table. Oh, there you are. Okie dokie. I've already washed my face and moisturized. I'm gonna go in with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I don't know if this is full size or a sample size. I've only used it one other time, but I was impressed. And I've been struggling with really dry skin, which I thought was gonna go away with the winter, but not so much. And I also think it's because I had a really bad breakout a couple of weeks ago, and I was using a lot of stuff to combat the breakouts, and while they are no longer bumps, they left nice little parting gifts. So all of that to say it's having an impact on my skin's texture, so it's been very dry. So we're gonna press that in. See, my nose is peeling. Gonna press that in. This is a primer and a moisturizer, if I'm not mistaken, but I really like this. And then again, in an effort to keep the dry skin under control, I'm gonna use the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Got a little sample, or mini size. Pow, right in the kisser. Just let all of that wash over me. My intention was to use this Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, but as I just mentioned, this is a base and a primer, and it just kind of seems like it would be too much, so we're gonna skip that step and go in with the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation Faux Filter Skin Finish Foundation. I'm in the shade Toffee 420G. And just get it on in there. Oh, ooh, hold on, I forgot to do something. Since I pointed these out, I'm gonna try, do you shake it? No, you don't. I'm gonna try to cover up my scars with this MAC. Oh no, that's a lot. I'm gonna try to cover up my scars with this MAC Prep and Prime in Peach Luster. I just clicked way too much. And I've never used this product with a cream, or is this a cream foundation? With whatever type of foundation this is, I've never used this product with it, so it'll be interesting to see how it all blends. Okay. Okay. I still have a little bit in the thing, but it ain't. I'm always using stuff out of order. Okay, and I'm gonna blend you with what? And I'm gonna dampen it with my Sasha Fix-It spray. I found that when you have a lot of setting sprays, some that spray more potent than others, that's a good use for them, is to dampen your sponges with. Hold on, I can't see myself the way I need to. Okay. It did a little something. And I'm gonna use what's left to go in again. So So yay, I got to use, see, look at that. You get the point. Okay. It's a lot. That's all that was left in there. As you saw, I didn't twist it anymore. But there we go. Okay. Hopefully this side of my face won't look too peach. Okie dokie. And then we'll proceed with what we're doing. Okay, I'm listening to a podcast in between blending and stuff. I'm listening to You Should Not Be Surprised, Ratchet and Respectable. That's my favorite podcast. And so now I'm just gonna, oops, wait, I'm not. See, I'm doing stuff out of order. I'm gonna attempt to highlight or something under the eyes. Highlight / conceal. This is a Juvia's Place stick in Panama. So as you can see, that's a lighter shade than my skin, but again, the attempt is to conceal and to highlight. My dry skin won't let me be great. And just to, because I'm extra, and probably this defeats the purpose a little, but I'm gonna take some more of the foundation stick from Huda. Because I low-key kind of feel like when you do it with the sponge or brush, just any tool, the product gets back on what you use to blend it. Then I'm gonna set it with my Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup Powder. So I'm gonna finish blending and then set it. I'm gonna try to bronze, and if you've been here before, you know bronzer is not, I don't know what I'm doing, so hopefully it won't look crazy. This is the Fenty Beauty, I showed this in a haul, Caramel Cutie. And it's one of those things, I've seen people do it, but I'm still kind of like, I don't know where I'm supposed to do it. I see them do it up here. And I don't like to do it. I don't really like to do it here because I don't know what I'm doing. And then they do it here, I think. Oh, my skin is peeling. That's all we're gonna do. Can you tell anything? I need to watch a video or something, because how you gonna buy bronzer and you don't know how to use bronzer? Make it make sense. Well, that's how all of this started. I didn't know how to use any makeup, and I bought it and I learned. So we practiced. So So I might look crazy today, but that will hopefully be temporary. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows off camera because y'all have seen me do it. I'm going in with the Mented Brow or Later. You've seen it done. This is nothing new. I did this eyebrow better than that eyebrow, but whatever. I'm gonna set, I don't think I'm doing this too early. We'll see. I'm just setting with the Milk Hydro Grip. Girl. Okay. I kind of feel like I need more on the side. There we go. Okay. Where'd I put my fan? And just to be, come on. Just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna dab my Still Damp Beauty Blender over everything. Eyeshadow. I have this palette here, but I'm feeling like I should be doing something else, but I'm not exactly sure what. Oh, I'm gonna try this Bobbi Brown Golden Bronze Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. I got this as a set. It came with this, this I mentioned earlier, and the lip tint I mentioned earlier. It was a collab with Delina. I don't know how to say it. I don't want to butcher her last name, but I've been following her for a while, and she collaborated with Bobbi Brown and came out with that, so I wanted to support her. She mentioned at one point you don't need a transition shade, but it just doesn't feel right for me not to have a transition shade. So I'm gonna take this Natasha Denona Mini Star palette. Am I too bright, or is it bright enough? We gonna see. And it just, I always have to have a transition shade if I'm wearing eyeshadow. It just doesn't feel right for me not to. I've been conditioned. So I'm just taking the brown shade in the palette, this one, that one, and just sweeping it back and forth with my Morphe R38 brush. I bought this a while ago, disclaimer. So just back and forth, swirling. Okay. So now we're gonna try the shadow stick, and I've never tried it except for a swatch. I don't even have that much Bobbi Brown, if any. Like, this might be the most. So as you can see, I just went all over the lid. This is very beginner friendly, and it has a little bit of shimmer. Pretty. Okie dokie. Where's your lid? Here you are. I'm gonna do my eyes. I just have this little mini Cause I'm Black eyeliner from Fenty, and then I'm gonna go in with this mascara. So I'll be back. We're doing blush. My mascara, I don't know if I mentioned it, it's a new fave. Y'all know Maybelline is my favorite drugstore. It's just the Colossal, you know, the yellow and purple label. You see it. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Oh, I just stuck my nail in my blush. Ma'am. This is Peach for the Stars. She cute or whatever. I like this. Subtle but pretty. That's my goal in life. subtle and pretty. It's cute. Okay. What else do I have to do? Highlighter. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighter. This is the 24 Cray from Fenty. Oh my. That was on there. And I'm gonna use her highlighter brush. It's so funny because I really only use the product that's in the lid. I get my product from here, not the vast amount that's in the lid. Oh, okay. That's already a lot. Okay. Yeah, see, I low-key feel like they need to make highlighters smaller or cheaper or something, because I did one dab and it's already, because again, we're going for subtle, and that's already a lot. And so how and when I'm gonna use all this? Houseway, when I'm gonna do that? Unless I just cover my whole body in it for like a week straight or so, and then just walk around just wearing that and nothing else. Trying to get arrested. Okay, I'm gonna do a lip. This is, I want to say it's Brick House. It is. It's Brick House by the Lip Bar. I do have a code for them as well as Minted. All of those things are in the bottom box, so you can get your hands on some goodies for you. Oh, this color is so pretty. And I like the way the applicator is shaped, because it allows me to line my slightly odd shaped lips before I mess something up. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. Sorry. I really like this shade. I really do. And let me, because I got this little corner here, won't let me be great. And it's matte, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see once it dries. I always have these in my ear, just random times of the day. Yeah, no, okay. Oh wait, am I? It should be fine, it's recording. So this is the final look, and I'm ready to take on the Zoom world with my face. So again, thank you for your time, and if there's any other videos you want to see from me, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'll see you later, and until my next video, bye.